Hello guys, and welcome to this new Tableau project. In this video, I'm going to create a Tripadvisor dashboard, as you can see here in this image, from a dataset that you can find on GitHub. The link is available in the description. The CSV file contains data about 21 hotels in Las Vegas, and we are going to use this data in order to proceed our analysis and create this dashboard. So let's get started. First, we have to import our file. I name it Tripadvisor Hotels file, and it is a text file. In order to get the data from GitHub, the different steps are explained in the description. As you can see, we have 20 columns or 20 fields and 504 rows. Our rows are user country, number of reviews, number of hotel reviews, helpful votes, score, period of stay, traveler type, swimming pool, exercise room, basket court. As you can see here, we have binary, so it is yes or no, yes or no. We have the club, we have free Wi-Fi. We have the names of the hotels, the stars of the hotels, number of rooms, user continent, member years, review month, and review weekday. So let's create our first worksheet. We name it Total Hotels. And same thing, we are going to create a calculated field with the same name. And it has a string that has the same name. So apply OK. We drag and drop into text. We increase the width. We hide the title. And we count the number of hotels. So drag and drop hotel names in here, text. We select count distinct, right? As you can see, we have a total of 21 hotels. Now we are going to format that. So we write format, font. It will be bold 10 in black. Okay. Alignment, it will be in the middle. And here for the shading, so for the worksheet, it will be in this color. In order to get this color, we have this code. Okay. So I select first the color. And as you can see here, it has the following code. So you have to copy 00AF87. You select this green color. Okay. And once you have created this color, it will appear each time in this place. So you don't need to add the code each time. Once you have created, it will appear directly in here. Okay. And this is the color that we are going to use in order to create our dashboard. So here we have our first worksheet, which is the total hotels. Next, we have the average number of rooms. So same thing, we write average number of rooms. We copy that. We create our calculated field. Same thing in here, we create our string. Just to gain space, we write NB for the number and AV for the average. So apply OK. I'm going to hide the title. We drag and drop in here. We increase the width. And we have here the number of rooms. So we put it in text and we select average. So here we have the average number of rooms. Same thing, we are going to format that. The alignment, it will be in the middle. The font, it will be bold black in 10. And the worksheet, it will be in this color. Okay. So here we have the average number of rooms. Next, we have average score. So same thing, we write average score. We create our calculated field. And same thing, we write AVG score. Apply. Okay. We hide our title. So we have here average score. We increase the width. Okay. And we have here our score. We put it as average. Okay. Same thing. We are going to format that. It will be in green. So the alignment in the middle, and it will be bold black and 10. The fourth worksheet is users average reviews. So we write users average reviews. Same thing, we are going to hide our title and we create our calculated field. We copy, create calculated field, same thing, and we write avg apply. Okay, so users average reviews, we increase the width and we get number of reviews into text and we select the average. Okay, so here we have the average. We are going to format that. Alignment, it will be in the middle, it will be bold, black and 10, and same thing, the worksheet, it will be in green. So here we have created our 4 text worksheets. Next we have total hotels by additional services. So we write total hotels by additional services. Okay, and we are going to select, for example, we start by free Wi-Fi, then exercise room, then we will select club and basketball court. We select the hotel name and we select count distinct. We convert it into a highlight table. So we said free Wi-Fi, then we have basketball, it will be in here. Okay, so entire view, we increase the width, okay, and for the color we can change it to gray, apply. Okay, and for the opacity we can change it to 70%. Okay, here we are going to hide the legend and we increase the width. Okay, so as you can see here, most of hotels have free Wi-Fi, they have exercise room, they have a club, but they don't have a basketball court. Now we are going to format that. So the alignment, it will be in the middle or the center. The header, the same thing in the center. It will be bold, black in 10, and for the worksheet it will be in green. I'm going to do the same thing for the title. So we write format title, so the shading it will be in green and it will be in black. So put it in the middle, it will be in black and bold. Apply. Okay, here we increase this, the length. Okay, just like that. Now we are going to add the borders. Okay, so it will be in black, same thing, black, same thing for the row divider and the column divider. Okay, I'm going to increase a little bit the height like that. Okay, so this represents total hotels by additional services. Next, we are going to find the total users by continent. So we write total users by continent. So we drag and drop the users continent into the rows. And same thing, we press Control key and we drag it to text. We select measure and we have the count. So we can sort that. or we can convert it into horizontal bar chart. Same thing. We're going to hide the field. Same thing for the title. We delete the title. I'm going to sort that. For the colors, we are going to choose black, and we select entire view. We press Ctrl key, we select it to label, and we are going to format our title. So we put it in the middle, black, bold, apply, OK. We format the worksheet, so it will be bold, black, and 10. Worksheet, it will be in green. The borders, we are going to select the borders. So row divider, and we have the column divider. For the grid lines, so for the column we are going to select none, and on the sheet we have axis ruler, we put it in black. For the same thing for axis text, we put it in black, and we select the borders for the title. Okay, so it will be in green, and the border, it will be in black. So like that, we have the total users by continent. Next, we are going to create total hotels by stars. Okay, so write total hotels by stars. Okay, we select here the stars. Okay, so we have hotel stars in columns, and we drag and drop the names, so hotel name, into the text. We count distinct, and we select the bar chart, we swap, and we sort. We press Ctrl key, and we drag and drop this to the label. As you can see here, for 5 stars we have 8 hotels, 4 stars we have 5, 3 stars we have 4, etc. We select the entire view, we hide the field label, and same thing in here, we delete the title. We format our title, it will be black, bold, apply, OK. And for the color, it will be in black, and we are going to format our worksheet. So for the font, it will be bold 10 in black. The border, we have the following, so it will be in black, black, black. Row divider, same thing, in black, and column divider in black. Now we are going to format title, and it will be the shading, it will be in green, and the border, it will be in black. Same thing for the worksheet, so format shading, and it will be in green. Here we are going to remove the grid lines. Okay, for the rows, we select none, and for the sheet axis ruler, it will be in black. Same thing for axis text, it will be in black. So here we have the total hotels by stars. Next, we have users by period of stay. So users by period of stay. So we have here the period of stay, and we count the period of stay. So count period of stay, we sort. Here we are going to hide the field, and we select the packed bubbles. All right, for the color, we are going to select the gray, select OK, and for the opacity we're going to select 70%. OK, I'm going to press Ctrl key and put it in the label. I'm going to format our title, bold, apply OK. we're going to hide the legend, select the entire view, and we are going to format. So it will be bold black 10, and for the cell it will be in black. For the shading it will be in green. Same thing for the title. So we have shading and we have the border. Okay, so here we have users by period of stay. Next we have traveler type. So write traveler type. Same thing, traveler type in rows, and we put this in text as the count. We sort that and we select our tree map. For the color we select the gray, apply OK, and for the opacity we choose 70%. Now we close this, Control key, and we select here the total. We're going to format our title. Okay, border okay, we hide the legend and we put it in the middle, black and bold, apply OK, entire view. Here we are going to format our worksheet, so shading it will be in green, for the cell it will be in black, and here it will be in black 10 bold. And for the border, as you can see here, it is in white. We are going to put it in black. So here border it will be in black. Okay, so like that we get the traveler type. As you can see, we have couples, then we have families, friends, business, then solo with 24. Next we have top 10 hotels by total rooms. Okay, so write top 10 hotels by total rooms. So here we select the hotel name and we select here the number of rooms. As you can see, it will give us the sum, so we select here the average. So it is the sum divided by the number of times that he got the hotel name. So you can see, if we order that, we get exactly the number of rooms. We press Control key, we select it in filters, top by field, so top 10 hotels by the number of rooms, apply OK. So we select the entire view and we convert it to highlight table. So entire view, and it will be sorted like that. So we increase the width, we hide the field label, we hide same thing the card, and we select the color. So edit color, it will be in gray, apply OK with the opacity of 70%. We are going to format our title, so it will be in the middle, black bold, apply OK. Same thing for the worksheet format, so the alignment it will be in the center. Same thing for the header, it will be bold, black and 10. For the shading it will be in green. Format title, same thing in green with the border in black. And we are going to add the borders of our worksheet. So borders, it will be in black, black. Same thing for the row divider and the column divider. Okay, so here we have the top 10 hotels by total rooms. Now we are going to create our dashboard. So we select new dashboard, we give it a size of 1900 and 900, and we start by the total. So we have here total hotels by additional services. Okay, Then we have total hotels by stars. Okay, so after that we have total users by continent. Okay, put it here. Next we have the users by period of stay. Okay, after that we have the traveler type, so we put it in here. Okay, like that. Then we have top 10 hotels by total rooms, we put it here. Okay, alright, so we have here total rooms. Next we are going to put the dashboard, so we format and the shading, it will be in green. Okay, after that we are going to import the logo of Tripadvisor, so it must be vector. Okay, so that we keep the same background that we have here in our dashboard. So okay, fit image, center image. All right, so I'm going to use this like that. I'm going to decrease this one a little bit like this. Free Wi-Fi. Okay, use this one. Very nice. So here we have total users by continent. Okay, and we are going to drag and drop total hotels. We put it in here. We hide the title. Okay, next we have average number of rooms, hide title, and same thing, we are going to put it in here, right? Average score, we hide the title and put it in here. Then we have users average reviews, hide title, and put this, put it in the center like that. Okay, next we are going to select floating blank. Okay, and we are going to drag and drop it in here like that. It will be just in the bottom of the logo. We select layout and it will be background is in black. Okay, so here we have, we are going to select another one, so blank. It will be like that. Okay, put it in here. Same thing, layout, background in black. So copy dashboard item, put another one in here and another one in here. Okay, so normally we have all the worksheets. We have selected everything, and once you have selected all your worksheets and you can adjust the dimensions as you like. Okay, select dashboard, export, and here we have our final dashboard. So that's it for this video. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.